All right, y'all. Welcome back to another video. Been working on this one today. Show y'all what's going on. If you haven't watched the last videos, got a new project we working on. C3 Corvette 1973. It was my dad's. So me and my brother and a couple other family members, my nephews and stuff, we're gonna be restoring this joint. So right now we just running through the systems, handling fuel, and trying to, redo everything, see what's still intact and what's not. And we found something today that's not intact. So let me show you what we got going on. So over here, we got the C3 Corvette. Last video I cleaned up the interior. That's a whole nother project as it is, but it's not too bad in there. But carpet is through. Definitely got to replace that. What we're doing over here under the hood, other than cleaning it up, of course, but we took the carburetor off. Got a good little Holly carburetor down there. Took that off because we're going to try to rebuild that one, throw it back on, and we'll use that for now. And then this is what we took out today. So we took out this gas tank, and as you can see, it is through. It is all rusted in there. Big hole in it. I mean, that hole, you literally just hit it, and yeah, big old hole in it. Rusted out. Can't use that at all. Good thing we didn't try to start it like that, because that would have been an issue. Let me see what's going on down here. I'll show y'all. It's a lot of rust and stuff, and what you learn about these old cars is all this rust and dirt that gets caked up under there. So when you're working on it, it's all in your eye. It sucks. But I'll go under here and show y'all what's going on. Hopefully there's some somewhat good lighting under here. So the gas tank sits here, and it's held on with these straps, and then you got this bar that goes across, and that holds everything together. So we got that out. It's not really much to take out. It's really just 4 screws. There's 2 on this side, 2 on that side, and then some straps, screws that go to the straps, and then those come out. But looking under here, I mean, it's not too bad. It's dirty, a little bit of surface rust, but not too bad. We're gonna figure out a way to treat all that under there. All these wires and stuff that we know for sure doesn't go to nothing is going to get cleaned up. I'm gonna do a little bit of that. The exhaust, it's gonna get a new exhaust. Maybe we'll try to run these mufflers again. I don't know, but supposedly they're Flowmasters. So I don't know if they don't work. Then we'll try some other Flowmasters, or maybe some MagnaFlow, something nice. This piping is, I don't know, it's real small. I think bigger piping would be a little bit better. Yeah, man, that's what's going on. I'm trying to make this one a quick video because I'm running out of storage here, and I got other videos on my camera right now, so I can't really delete those yet until I post them. But just coming with content, back-to-back content, whether it's this car show stuff or racing. I'm really trying to lock in this year and really get consistent with it. So if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. If you're into stuff like this, if you're into it, really anything with 4 wheels, as far as cars, that's all I post. So yeah, that's what we got going on, man. Over here, shout out to Power Stop. I mean, we ain't sponsored or nothing, but I do like their stuff, so I went ahead and picked them up, because we are going to be running through the brakes and stuff at 1.2. For fun, I might just look under there We'll see. I might take a wheel off and see what's going on. But we'll make that something separate. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what was going on, show y'all the progress. I see a lot of people were interested in this type of thing and these type of videos, so I was like, why not? You know, I'll keep going. I was gonna make it personal and just kind of personally document stuff, but I was like, you know, somebody on YouTube is interested in this type of stuff, so why not bring this content to them? But yeah, so we got the new tank in, or not in, but we got it here with us. I don't think we're gonna put it in. Yeah, we're not gonna put it in today, because I want to do some cleaning under there, and then my brother will probably come back over here in a week or two, and we'll put the new one in. But right now we're working on getting all the gaskets and everything, so all this type of stuff will be put in, and then yeah, we'll go from there. But that's what's going on, so definitely stay tuned, stay tapped in, and we'll let you know what's going on in the new video. Appreciate you.